Want to know how I make $10,000 every single month on one single family home? In the United States right now, there are 76 million baby boomers. The number one dilemma for these baby boomers? Housing. That dilemma can be your opportunity. Welcome to the Assisted Living Network podcast, where you can discover how just one residential assisted living home could secure your financial future forever. Hey, it's Isabelle from the Assisted Living Network. Want to know how I make $10,000 every single month on one single family home? Well, let me show you. I own and operate a residential assisted living home in Arizona. And here in Arizona, we're allowed to have 10 residents in an RAL home. Now, my home is a large luxury home in a really nice part of town. It has 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. I know, crazy. But I'll show you in another episode how to get your home that large by maximizing the space. So let's get back to it. With 10 residents paying an average of $5,500 per month, which is our national and state average, for the cost of care, that includes their housing and their, everything, their care, that brings in $55,000 every single month on gross income for the property. But of course, there are a lot of expenses. It costs a lot to have your bum wiped, someone helping you walk, someone helping you bathe and feeding you and helping you get out of bed. Not to mention for your own private chef, bedroom, bathroom, laundry service, and activities. Listen, we love to pay our caregivers just a little bit more than they may be receiving at other facilities or homes. This is part of the Do Good, Do Well model, helping seniors, caregivers, and their families during this transitional time of life. Expenses will run you about $35,000 a month on a regular residential assisted living home. This will include things like food, cable, internet, activities, paying your administrator and caregivers, and independent contractors. It includes liability insurance and taxes. The mortgage on my property is a little less than $10,000 every single month, and that leaves this home bringing in $10,000 net every single month. Now, in some areas, you're allowed to have more than 10 residents, and that will continue to add to your bottom line. We have a student bringing in $20,000 a month, another bringing in $30,000, and another bringing in $40,000 on just one residential assisted living home. Most states will allow you to have somewhere between 6 and 16 residents in the home, and this is a true opportunity to serve an amazing population who needs love, quality care, and assistance during this time of life, and make an amazing profit. But the question remains, how much do you really need to gain your time freedom? If you had a check coming in every single month bringing you $10,000 a month or $30,000 a month, would that change your life? Would you quit your job and commit to this full time? Or would you stay at home with the kids, travel more, donate more, whatever you want? Freedom of time is true wealth. We show people how to do this every single day, open care homes across the country, bringing them in incredible returns and changing their lives. If you want to find out the average cost of care in your area, go to genworth.com/cost of care. They recently released the numbers from 2023, and listen, it's gone up 84% in the last 20 years. There is a massive need for senior housing, and the opportunity is lucrative, but that's not the only reason you should consider this form of investing. Before I go, I want to say something important for you to hear. The secret sauce is scaling. A 3-pack of homes is better than just one. The more you have, the more you can share your resources, and you can make a better profit and not have to turn people away when you're full. You can also expand your brand and your business by offering different levels of service or different levels of rates for the seniors within the home. Maybe a level 3 home, a level 4 home, a level 5 home, or a memory care home and a level 5 and a level 3. The sky is the limit. One RAL home is better than 3 Airbnbs, and it's definitely better than 3 long-term rental homes. The cash flow, the impact, it can't be beat. But here's my disclaimer. Don't do this for the money. If that's the only reason you're in this business, you will get found out quickly and you will not be successful. Hey, look at the big boxes. Yikes. Did I say that? Yeah, I said it. If you want to learn more, grab a free webinar at ral101.com. And don't forget to like and share this episode and follow us wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts. Thanks for listening to the Assisted Living Network.